Welcome to week 43 of 52 of Stock Roulette, where I invest around $50 a week randomly into one stock. I just sold this week's top 10 pick into pickrandom.com and give her a spin. And then we talk about why I made my list for that week. The point of this game is to see if we can beat the average 8 to 10% annual return. And most of the companies that I look at are in the future thinking and businesses within the innovation space and in many of these spaces. October has been a pretty good month all around. Retail is up higher than expected from September, and everything bad seems to be already priced in. So I hope we're on the up and up for the fourth quarter rally. But if you guys do want to see the last 42 weeks of quick DD videos, I'll put a link above for those. All right, let's give it a quick spin for this week. And there we go. ADA crypto. This week's pick is Cardano, ticker ADA. Cardano is actually a cryptocurrency stock, one that's been on my list for a long time now. Cardano is a digital currency that any user located anywhere in the world can use as a secure exchange of value without requiring a third party to mediate the exchange. Every transaction is permanent, secure, with transparency recorded on the Cardano blockchain. Cardano is a third-generation decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain platform. It's designed to be a more efficient alternative to proof-of-work networks. Scalability and sustainability on a proof-of-work network like Ethereum are limited by the infrastructure burden and growing costs in energy use and slow transaction times. But with that said, Ethereum 2.0 will help alleviate some of that pain, which is currently in the works. And I personally have been invested in Ethereum for over 4 years now. But I just felt like $50 for this series would be too little amount for Ethereum, given that it's almost $4,000 a token. And of course, Cardano is still in the early stages and just getting started. So the co-founder of Ethereum, Charles Hopkinson, understood the implications of these challenges of blockchain networks and began developing Cardano in 2015. Then he went to launch the platform and the ADA token in 2017. The Cardano platform runs on the Ouroboros consensus protocol. Ouroboros, created by Cardano, is in its foundation phase, which was the first proof-of-stake protocol that was not only provided to be secure, but was also the first to be informed by the scholarly academic research. So Cardano created an interesting roadmap. Each development phase, also called as an era, is anchored by the research-based framework, incorporating the peer-reviewed insights with evidence-based methods to make the progress toward and achieve the milestone result of the future direction of the use of applications of both the blockchain network and the ADA token. So let me go back and speak English. The first era was the foundation, described above. Next, we have the decentralization. In this stage, you're going to see the introduction of the delegation and incentives, also a reward system to drive stake pools and community adoption. So every ADA holder also holds a stake in the Cardano network. An ADA stored in a wallet can be delegated to a stake pool to earn rewards, and in time will also be usable for a variety of applications and services on the Cardano platform. The next era is the smart contracts, and this is where we're just getting started because they just launched the smart contract protocol on September 12th of this year. Smart contracts are the automated digital agreements that are programmed. They are self-executing, uncorruptible, and unalterable. They don't require any actions or presence of third parties. So the next era we have is to scale and improve the performance of the Cardano network for better support growth and adoption for application with higher transaction volume. Scaling and growing for bigger and better transactions is a common business practice after you have proof of concept, which Cardano now has. And also the final piece is governance, with the introduction of a voting and a treasury system. So network participants will be able to use their stake and voting rights to influence the future development of the network. When both the voting and treasury systems are in place, Cardano will be truly decentralized and no longer under IOHK's management. Instead, Cardano's future will be in the hands of the community, who will have everything that they need to grow and evolve. So how's Cardano doing? Well, the price has been growing literally over 2,000% in the last year alone. In fact, a year ago, it was just trading for 10 cents a coin, and today it's well over $2 per coin. It actually got over $3 a coin back in this August. But since the hype of the smart contracts has been rolled out, it kind of scaled back a little bit. Some people even give this a $10 price target by the end of the year. But as everybody knows, crypto is very volatile and has aggressive price swings one way or the other, so it's not for the faint of heart. And of course, some of the best investors will just tell you to invest when you can and often and let it grow over time. I personally have a pretty decent crypto portfolio, and I am very bullish in this space. Okay, let's go make a quick purchase. Okay, let's make a quick purchase here. Okay, we're gonna buy 25 shares here. Get this little warning on Webull when you're buying crypto. Continue. I'll buy 25 shares, 54.56. There you go, we're all set. Okay guys, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you're doing research before you buy any stocks. If you guys don't have a trading account, Robinhood, Webull are great. Webull is better because you can trade before the market's open and after the market closes. Unless of course it's crypto, you can trade 24/7. If you guys throw $100 in there with my link below, we'll both get 2 free stocks. And like in all my videos, I wear my custom designer dress shirts. This one happens to be glow in the dark, pretty fun. They are high-end American-made designer dress shirts. If you guys are curious about those, I'll put a link below. And I hope you guys found some value in this video. Do me a favor and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell. Got a video every single Monday for 52 weeks for the series. Thanks guys.